Namaste. In this demo video, we'll guide you through the iPrep PAL application. iPrep PAL offers personalized adaptive learning, tailoring instruction to each student's abilities and creating customized learning path. Let's start by logging in. Find and click on the iPrep PAL icon on your tablet and you'll be taken to the login screen. Enter your 10-digit SRN provided to you by your school, followed by your date of birth. Click on Login. You have now successfully logged in to the iPrep PAL application. Welcome to iPrep PAL's home screen. At the top, find subjects based on your grade or stream. Below, explore our rich book library for reading and holistic growth. At the bottom, discover interactive lessons teaching you to create models and conduct experiments using everyday materials. The menu button in the top left gives you access to your profile, my reports, language change, about iPrep PAL, FAQs and logout. The bell icon on the top right provides in-app notifications. Click on a subject to start learning. This opens a screen listing chapters on the left and content categories on the top, including videos, remedial, tests, and books. Start learning by selecting a chapter. In iPrep PAL, learning for each chapter starts with initiating the diagnostic test. Click on the Start button next to Diagnostic Test. In the Diagnostic Test, you need to answer 12 multiple choice questions with one attempt per chapter. And after the last question, click Submit Test for your score and a personalized learning path. You can also review your test for feedback and the right answers. After the Diagnostic Test, a student can watch video lessons which are recommended based on the student's score in the diagnostic test, or attempt remedial questions. Video lessons divided into 4 levels. Unlock the next level by watching all videos or by clearing remedial questions of the current level. The videos can be controlled for playback speed, pause play and full or small screen by the buttons given on the video screen. The remedial section contains multiple choice questions divided into 4 levels. After attempting each question, you get instant feedback and related video lessons. Correct answers increase mastery, while incorrect answers decrease it. A student can also use hints and suggested videos when stuck. The objective of remedial is to attain 100% mastery in the given topic. After attaining 100% mastery in remedial, students can gain access to the final chapter test. A score above 80% will get students the completion badge. Students can also explore NCERT syllabus books by selecting the Books tab within a subject. Students can scroll through the book and can also zoom in and zoom out for a seamless reading experience. To access learning progress reports, click on My Reports from the menu. Track study time, days spent on iPrep PAL, and time spent on each subject. Get category-wise detailed information about videos watched, remedials attempted, final test attempted, etc. This helps both students and teachers keep a track of the learning progress of a student. Thank you. Keep learning with iPrep PAL.